Yamwache mwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam so yamwafishia pabiem na yada ni te kutegwase ni nkwanshan samwa nenso odi abreye anopai kase na braso samede mawo de todwa wo mu bi ya wo betini anyanso to mrahye bedwani se de tie bia no wo mo ye adwumadene se be ya akonwa no ebekosoa ekura wo no mo ye de honsam no ebebro yebebora eye ensam no mu nenso ya amanyonsam Omei Interior Minister enso ade atudwa se Ghana for enkoso enfatumi ne ma MPP na adwuma no a won ahyase no won fa nkwa wieye pa eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de sommo sa Adom TV Badwam kase oko Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV channel ne 119 DSTV channel ne 280 oko YouTube nso a search Adom TV 2 ye wo ho bidin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and some nichemo ankasa etie MPP manyokuo no pani na nida kwan se wo befrem rahebedwa akonwa e wanya so utomu ye Emmanuel Tobin na enei womo avet no awie ye veti no awie ye no no den samatudwa said dumaden ye ene sinani so obetumi aye so mo de tumi no Emmanuel asebe ye mpuntuo ebetumi afa no ntoma pade fra e wanya so uto Let's
New Patriotic Party aspirant awo anyanso tuom Emmanuel Tobi eko vetting ewieye no wonya number 1 awo ballot ni so na Badwam news in central for ene ne twetwe nkomo no wo de futuo ema MPP amanyoko no se wo mu hwese omo beka wono ho abom na ono nso ede niema egu akwam se so manfo etimi eto no so aba ema ne komrahye bedwam a obeboa amampuntuo abampatemu Osan editor delegate awodo nanim se womuntu aba no ema no esan se sisi akra won kom na hyebedwom no wa start ebo a omanfo e won patemu
anyanso tum obi agi tum say MPP seat na we are not going to take it for granted say MPP seat intino yenye campaign na se be di epe e bompa se nyakopon Adom na nkonimdie no eba ya afa ya be ejuma den pa na ade ne de ya start crowd that because developmental programs and na amanfo no woto aban woni hwe so say MP no ebetumi a lobby e di abrɛw ene kakra MP na nkasa nsa soso te say common fund te say get fund saa sikana nsa soso no dodo na ahwe nim say obetumi di aboa constituency no sanyame ya Adom ni ensaka saa pepe ne ebe no ebe lobby development di abanya so tuum saa so na dia ye de maye a ese ye de boa individuals ye de boa e wo kwan bi so e manya so tumtumpom bia no ye be ne saa pepepe
Amanua so for Interior Minister na osaye na ndomra hyebedwani ye Ambrose Derry ene wode to Ghana fo nyina nim se won koso amfatumi no ma MPP amanyokuo no na wadwuma pa won wahyase no obetumi so ede awie Ghana fo mfatumi ema mampani abadi akire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia na ninyuma ene hyehyɛ ahodo a won moye no wonu ho
Interior Minister mrahebedwani owo nandom Ambrose Derry ede ato Ghana fo nina enim se wo mo hwese o mo beto aba no ede ama MPP amanyoko no na wa betoa wo mo mpuntudwuma a wo mo ahyase no ode to Ghana for enim se wo mo hwese o beto aba no ede ama Dr. Mahamadu Baumia Vice President seni obedi oman enim na nema papa opeso odi gu akwema oman ekoso etumpon no watimi ade aba ama Ghana for nso enya hoto.
He is a man who has the capacity to improve this country. He's already shown by the digitalization, and that is one way of fighting corruption. And I can give you a few practical examples. Before the digitalization, if a contractor wanted to renew his business documents, he had to go by air or by road to Accra, check into a hotel, go to the ministry. Difficult to find a director. He finds someone down there. He needs to grease the person's arms. Now, thanks to digitalization, is paid online. His license is issued online.
People's National Convention so aye krado yen hye nyina se wo mu abato be ya kendufo no bosumi edi animu ekro no omo behwe na waye hwehwe no nti womo ade atudwa se obi obetu frank ade ama wo betu ya sika 100,000 Ghana cedi na fe vice chair and general secretary nomni ade 25,000 Ghana cedi hunsam Adom TV kase etosui
Washa regional elections ase efree opepombo so mede to so dunum de kosi aduasa ba akoso owie na national elections nso ode ahwehwe so obenimbo so mede to so mienu na presidential elections nso ode ahwehwe so obenimbo so mede to so aduonu nan amanyoko yimpanimfo kiremu a obibia opese okopre mrahye bedwam dibre e wo PNC amanyoko ni dimu ebetimi akofa forms no opepombo so mede to so nan wa fimpini ni aduonu nan mu enkrata wode betu dwan so wo kire se obibi opese otu franka ema PNC amanyoko no e wo so otu ya Ghana cedi empem oha 100,000 Ghana cedis na vice chairperson any general secretary fonso etua Ghana cedi empem aduonu no 25,000 Ghana cedis se filing fee one mo pre national organizer di brenso wo so otu ya Ghana cedi empem dunum 15,000 ni ani nyina no wo hwe kwan se eya amanyoko ne mra ne nhyehyɛ ya mpanimfo ade atodwa senti one mo epre dibre ewa amanyoko ne di mu no ebedi so pepepe
Kane mampani John Dramani Mahama osaye Franka tuni de ma NDC amanyoko no se NDC ene party aka womo wonhyehyɛ pa wode bɛbɔ man yen sikasam na agina yie afe enhia mu anase afia no ahia ensɛm a wɔpɛ so wode to Ghana fo anim ene ne keka ho bie na wode eto ye ni manu adaya sansemi ebetodwa.
We've all lived painfully through the challenges the failed Akufo-Addo administration has inflicted on us through their reckless mismanagement of the economy, poor governance, barefaced corruption, and profligate expenditure at the expense of socio-economic and infrastructural development. 2023 has been nothing but a continuation of the years of hardship, the high cost of living, and worsening poverty for the Ghanaian people. The 2024 budget provides no hope for an improvement in our circumstances. A raft of new tax measures have been slapped on us to raise an additional 11 billion Ghana cedis from the already overburdened taxpayers. In that same budget, while they sought to squeeze the last blood from Ghanaians through increased taxes, they have increased the money allocated to the office of the president from 1.4 billion Ghana cedis to over 2 billion Ghana cedis. A clear case of asking the people to tighten their belts while the president loosens his. Bawumia's economic mismanagement, corruption, and Akufo-Addo's poor governance and leadership have led to a significant decline in living standards for the ordinary Ghanaian. The soaring prices of essential goods, high level of unemployment, and the struggles of small businesses are a testament to the government's failure to address the people's needs. One of my key priorities will be to address the high level of unemployment and meet the aspirations of our youth. My team and I, under the auspices of the National Democratic Congress, have developed a comprehensive plan which will be shared with businesses, academia, civil society, and the youth to create jobs and provide opportunities for all our young people. We'll empower our youth to contribute meaningfully to their well-being, families, the Ghanaian economy, and society through targeted investments in education and skills development. We've all lived painfully through
Atino woni abrepa fi abato mu no womoni da hosa aboa wo nti ene Moses Mrano no onde be ye adwuma na Moses Mrano de he yenti ensem a Joseph Yamin edit today.
NDC amanyoko ne don frefo Joseph Yamin o kire se NPP eyesa woni wo mu bedi apere ewo abato yi mu a komo so fa won ho nche wo mu kra ebra wakasa ewo enhyiamu bi a woni NDC amanyoko ne chitafo bi a wakaso a ekodi ye ene wodi tu dwase omanfo ne abato commission enhye se abato ye ba bekoso yi emu beda wo fan ya wo bia ebehunu mu.
Okay, how our country said we have accepted the challenge. We came to help backyard to accept the challenge. If we know we are going to prepare, because he said the police will either have to come here and settle a peace course, or deny the peace rebellion. But if Hawa will bring 10 men, we are going to bring 100. This is not an empty threat. We are telling them. And they know. Because this election, it is the Moses law that is going to be applied. It is when you hit, I will hit. When you slap, I will slap. When you steal, I will steal.
And which were the Togana for him say, want to about Emma, can even pay John Dramani Mahama Sabeya, Ubitimi Abomo May aye.
The people you are supporting are pledging their support. That is what is important. But whether you have issues or you don't have issues, when your party is in opposition, you are useless. You are useless. So you can continue to have issues. But when God says we are going to win, you and your issues cannot stop the winning. But when your party is in power, they will bring that issue of you have issues up to decide your future, to decide your fate. That is where you will see that, look, in politics, whatever you do, if it is not helping your party to come to power, you are taking your own grave.
And the MP, Adom Adom North, Badwam Pesiano, so they told the constituents no enim. Say, what munya ni ombe to me be na NPP amanyoko na dwene so ombe breaki 8 ne de. Emma no emmemu fi say ne wono mo eye bia ni wa eboa omen na numu nsam eni.
Frederick Yawahinkwa Mrasibi Dwani a wogire mo manfo German North Badwam Pesiano so de to ne manfo anim say NPP amanyoko na niso ade hunu so be break 8 no ema wonto ma wo mo nante wo mo ani so wonto ma NDC amanyoko no sebe ya wo mo ebetimi age wo manyi afri na woyie hie mu ebra wo ne nsɛmtwerɛfo twetwe nkomo no odi tu dwa say empontu nyuma pi ena NDC amanyoko no hyase na nso NPP aban baaye oto nyina ajeje mu a wanto aso
the 8 ne yem breki yempo na cashew 8 cedis 50 pesos yati so aba 7 cedis ekwiafo be de adiye ekwiafo be de atenase aban ne chefa yanya se oman ne o ma ye chiche ne nkakra na yaka achi aban ofiwa we baaye ne penso na ye nim ne o ma na oye ena wo hwe goka ekwa ase okwa NDC aban ena hye kwan na se ye ya ne ye twam di akosi se ekwa ene MPP aban baaye oba na kwan de ya yeso adwuma nyina wie ne obeya ne se ogusu kota ne de ne nim se ubu akoduru se kwa ene ya ye enura se okokora kwan mu ha a uduru ase okwa mfuturo nko a
enweche nipa wo premrahye bedwam dibre wo NPP amanyoko ne mo inokunyako echire mu se eba no mpontunyuma NPP aban enya German North Badwam Pesiano so mukura na nema pin wa hyase wo se wotimi wie ne senti omanfo entuma NPP amanyoko no
breaking the 8 no it is possible because when nema yempanimfo ya oba ha no mo ye kwan we NPP aban na ye wa ne fefefe na timamufo ogidie se ye to aban ma ye papa ba omi a German of Pepano to my pefra. After 2024 ye kwa bato pass ye election year MPP and say ni papa ko na uba German of one ma parliamentary candidate enemy DC adwuma ya bono me setimamufo se omo nto aba ma MPP aban na ento ma me ne ento ma ye papa ba omi se na be ya mpontunwuma bebre de e be koso me ntem ho ase de ye nyimfrim because we are there mfata atensa aban na obedi emra na obedi enti ye nyina ye ni papa ko de ye nyina ye nkamom Senebeya German of
Minyano so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay media sie medidi afia amankwa tamaklo sa wo kwade awrade mfa nkomra somdue mu na mum wonya shenkani dia wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra the bonkrata sene ashase dia bi beba na call domonline.com ensema hodo a etwagu ho nti twen ye nchekra mekwaba